Good morning, Robert Scribbler here with the OBX Wave Report, filming south and east at Jeanette's Pier, looking at a little sandbar break with some 1 to 2 foot waves, and a few surfers out in the lineup this morning enjoying some glassy swells. It is about 7:10 in the morning. We've got some northwesterly winds, some thunderstorms off to our south. Those cloud tops, you can see them here in the video. And just a beautiful morning with the sunlight streaming in and gleaming off the ocean surface with those small waves. I'm going to do a relatively brief wave report today because I want to get in the water and I don't have a lot of time because I'm going to do some OBX hot yoga. All right, so right now at Nag's Head, according to the wave monitors, waves are in the range of about 2 foot. Looks like about more like 1 to 2 foot to me. Nonetheless, some rideable waves. Primary swell of the east-southeast at 2.1 foot at 9 seconds. That is a 9-second swell. Winds out of the northwest at 11 miles per hour. This winds are expected to swing around to the north and then northeast today, and push in off the ocean and push those wave heights up a little bit with those stronger winds. Air temperatures right now 82 degrees. Ocean water temperature is cool here in Nag's Head. We've got readings in the range of anything from about 66 to 70 degrees. I don't really believe the water temperatures are 66, but with those west winds, you will get that upwelling of the Labrador current, and it will get cooler, so possibly upper 60s for the water temperatures here. And then on down south at Rodanthe, we've got 2 foot waves, clean conditions. East-southeast swell at 2.3 feet. That is a 9-second swell. Winds out of the northwest at 11 miles per hour. 82 degree Fahrenheit air temperatures. Ocean water temperature is much warmer down there at Rodanthe at 83 degrees. And then last of all, for Buxton, we've got 2 foot plus waves, clean conditions. Primary swell out of the east-southeast. That's a 2.4 foot swell at 9 seconds. Winds out of the west-northwest at 14 miles per hour. Air temperatures in the range of about 79 degrees Fahrenheit. A little cooler in the air down there at Buxton, but very humid with those ocean water temperatures up to about 84 degrees. And for the Atlantic Ocean, I did want to talk about a tropical system that is in the central tropical Atlantic. This thing continues to head off to the west and northwest. It looks like it's going to angle north and east of the Caribbean island chain. And right now this system has a 70% chance of development, and we'll just have to keep an eye on that, as the ocean water temperatures are certainly very warm in the Atlantic Ocean right now. So there's a lot of ocean water and convection support for tropical systems, although with El Nino firing up in the eastern equatorial Pacific, we do have that wind shear environment that is unfavorable or less favorable for tropical cyclone development. So two factors that are kind of pushing against each other in the North Atlantic right now: the extreme water temperatures driven by these marine heat waves that we've been experiencing around the globe related to human-caused climate change, which are providing fuel for higher peak potential energy for tropical cyclones and peak potential intensity for tropical cyclones, and then that El Nino effect, which generates those wind shears in the Atlantic Ocean, which can hack down those storms. All right, so thank you for joining me for this. It's Sunday, July the 30th session of the OBX Wave Report. As I tend to do, I'd like to ask you guys to do everything you can to please help speed the transition to clean energy, that being wind, water, solar, and electric vehicles. And that'll help protect our coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning. It's just really a smart thing to do, and let's just do it. All right, well, and I hope to see you guys out there in the water, or hope you guys get out in the water today and catch some good waves. I'm going to get out for my surf session number 130. I'm a brief surf session here before some OBX hot yoga. All right, so thank you for joining me once again.